Yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
Hello everybody, what is good and what is going on? It is your boy from Everyday Trippin', and thank you for stopping by my channel to join me in another video here today. Hope you're having a great day or evening, I know I am. And let's get into this video here today at Playa in Cozumel. In this video here today, this was my very first time in Cozumel. We weren't sure what to do. We were thinking about going to Mr. Sancho's, but we ended up coming to Playa instead. Playa is about 10 minutes out from the port, and Mr. Sancho's is about 7 minutes further out. So Mr. Sancho's is about 17 minutes out, and Playa is about 10 minutes out from the port. When walking into Playa, you will notice there is lots of shops selling things on the left and right hand side of the walkway when you're walking in. Before you walk through the big blue arches, make sure you stop on the left hand side and you purchase your package. There's different packages at Playa. Some contain food, beverages, and certain excursions. Like they have the canoeing, they have the jet skis, they have the water bike, they have the floating amusement park, they have the sailboats, they have the banana boats. They even have cool things like the fish therapy, they have special braiders, they have a lot of cool stuff. So basically just make sure you guys browse all of your options before you get started with your fun. To start the video off, we are in the locker area next to the restrooms and the children's area at Playa. In the children's area, there is a children's pool, and there is also children games and slides. So for the younger ones, there's going to be a lot of activities for you guys to do. Here we go. We are making our way under the big tent at Playa. This is the dining area. There is a restroom, loads and loads of tables and chairs, and of course the buffet. The buffet has a wide variety of food: Italian, Mexican, American. There is salads, fruits, lots of different items. We're going to be walking up to that in just a second. And there is also a drink bar. The views from Cozumel are so nice. Another thing that is available for purchase at Playa is a cabana. If you want to sit poolside, get you a little drink or something, and just kick back and enjoy the views, that is something you can also do at Playa. Now that we got the food and the young ones out the way, let's get into the big kid stuff. Let's head down to the beach, get our feet in the sand, get our feet wet, and let's have some fun. want to get on the wave runners and the banana boat. Unfortunately, they were out of commission when we were there, so that was a bummer. So there is a couple shots of us just chilling out in the water, hopping on the water bikes, the canoe, and a sailboat to a coral reef. Stick around, you don't want to miss. And of course, I had to throw in some shots of some of the activities that I was doing when I was at Playa Mia. There is some extended versions of these clips on some of my other travel videos from this trip, so go check them out. I have a link on screen and some links at the end of the video. And of course, more videos from the trip next week. That is pretty much wrapping it up for this week's video at Playa Mia. Of course, I had to save some of the best shots for last, for those of you that stuck around towards the end. I truly do believe most places look the best when nobody's there. Look how great Playa Mia looks. Cozumel just before sunset. Got the ocean, the waves in the back with the nice palm trees and clouds and the sun in the sky. It looks amazing. Anyways, that is basically going to be wrapping it up for this week's video at Playa Mia. Stick around for a channel update at the end of the video. Alright everyone, we have left Playa Mia. We are back at the port in Cozumel. The sun is setting. The vibes are great. The scenes are beautiful. What a time to be alive. Lots and lots of great things are coming to the channel on Everyday Trip, and please make sure you guys are sticking around and subscribing, and make sure you guys are dropping likes on these videos. It is a lot of work, and I want to have the best content for all my viewers. For all of my travel lovers, there is lots of travel content that just dropped on my channel. Make sure you guys are checking those videos out. And there is some travel videos on the way, believe me. For my food lovers, there is food videos on the way. My unboxing videos are on the way. Concert lovers, we do have more concert videos coming to the channel. Rolling Loud is coming up in a couple of weeks. That is going to be on the channel as well. Fun content is coming to the channel, and you do not want to miss out. If we're being honest, if you haven't subscribed, you're definitely tripping. Alright everybody, that is going to be it from me in Cozumel. To end the video out, I have a couple shots of the sun setting from my balcony room on the cruise, so you guys can enjoy that. It is a beautiful sight to see. I'll catch you guys in next week's video, and I'm out. Peace.